Craving some homemade pasta? There's nothing quite like the taste of fresh homemade pasta to satisfy your cravings and transport you straight to Italy. Today, I'm showing you how to make authentic Italian pasta from scratch in just 5 simple steps. It's easier than you might think, and the results are absolutely worth it. You only need 2 main ingredients, flour and eggs, and you're on your way to creating fresh, delicious pasta. These simple ingredients come together to create something truly magical. First, make a well in the center of your flour. This is where the magic begins. The well will hold your eggs and help you mix everything together without making a mess. Crack in your eggs and slowly mix them together to form a dough. Use a fork to gently whisk the eggs, gradually incorporating the flour from the edges of the well. Knead it until smooth and elastic. This takes about 10 minutes. This step is crucial as it develops the gluten, giving your pasta that perfect texture. Let it rest for 30 minutes. This resting period allows the dough to relax, making it easier to roll out later. Then, roll out the dough with a pasta machine or rolling pin and cut it into your desired shape: fettuccine, spaghetti, or lasagna sheets. The possibilities are endless, and you can get creative with different shapes and sizes. Finally, cook in boiling salted water for just a few minutes, and voila! Fresh pasta cooks much faster than dried pasta, so keep an eye on it to avoid overcooking. Fresh pasta ready to pair with your favorite sauce. Whether it's a classic marinara, a rich Alfredo, or a simple olive oil and garlic sauce, fresh pasta elevates any dish. Simple, fun, and delicious. That's how you make traditional Italian pasta. It's a great activity to do with family or friends, and the end result is always a crowd pleaser. Try it out and let me know how it goes. Share your pasta making adventures and enjoy the taste of Italy right in your own kitchen.